What's up, YouTube? Hopefully we get some audio. I've done a bunch of testing in the apartment with the app, so we should be good. Yeah, so hopefully this is the first motovlog, and this is a little route, not really a route, I don't know, that I take on Fridays. It seems to be every Friday. Today is me and my wife's anniversary, which is awesome, so we're gonna go grab some drinks after this. And yeah, so the motovlog setup is GoPro Sessions 2018, the adapter, the GoPro adapter, and a mic adapter, and a Power D-Wise mic, which GoPro doesn't tell you. You need this little adapter here for the TRS to TRRS mic. The GoPro adapter only works with the TRS microphones, the microphone that has 2 lines on it. The one with 3 lines is the TRRS. And what I've found is that the TRRS is more for like headphones with microphones in them. You know, like your iPhones and Galaxies and whatnot, but they are not for just a standard mic. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, the cheek pad on the right hand side on these lane splitters, they unbutton out of the inside, and I just have the mic like stuffed just a little bit in there. They do have little foam, I guess, wind blocker. I don't know what the term would be for them, but yeah, they're not a furry dead cat, so this little route will prove if the wind is crazy in this helmet. I know it flows a lot of air, so that's one thing I was worried about with it. But yeah, I saw it was Bike and Bird did a very similar setup to this with a lane splitter. And yeah, his sounds great, but he used a dead cat, which I may have to get. But we'll see. I don't know. Sessions shouldn't have. And this thing's fun. Love the Donna. Of course, I get stuck behind a damn car. Pretty sure I got some air off of that one of those shifts. But yeah, this is a cool road when there's not a car. There's a couple hills that I don't feel like passing. We'll just chill back here. But yeah, this is kind of like a mix of really smooth, awesome country road for a little bit, and then we'll jump on the interstate and haul ass back home for an interstate test for the mic. Get over. Get over. People, man. It's like they turn their brains off when it's Friday. No feet down. No feet down. She looks a little too young to be homeless. And I hope this worked out. Almost need to go higher. Oh well. So yeah, I'm looking for ideas, YouTube. Anybody watching? Content always. Today was busy. I had a bunch of other stuff I was going to talk about, but it kind of ran out of my brain, which is good. So, but yeah. Me and the wifey are gonna enjoy some anniversary drinks. The taco place is awesome right there. So yeah, putting the bike away, hopping in the Uber. Shout out to Uber, you guys are great. And yeah, if you like what you see, hit subscribe. Comment on other stuff that we can talk about. Hopefully getting some more footage tomorrow. Craig got a whole weekend off, which is awesome. Another friend with Adana. And yeah. Woohoo, it's chilly through there. Hey, guys are awesome. I'm gonna keep making videos, hopefully once a week, because I've kind of been doing that little route there for a while on Fridays. So hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell notification. You'll get an email when the video goes up. Thanks, guys.